Atlantic ship owner. With this war, then we are starting to look at the Atlantic with very careful debate about what is the cost of reliefs. Asia crew, we have $3,000 one way, $3,000 the other way. What is it for? Are there any seats available? How long will this war last? Is this an opportunity to think about the solutions for the Atlantic crew management? Are we an American company that we want to invest in America HR? Because we need the talent, we need the chief engineers, the captains, the head, senior electricians, superintendents, we need the bosuns, we need the ports full of talented ex-seafarers. Where are we going to get those? If we invest in non-Atlantic crew, is this a time to think about these solutions? Is this the opportunity, the disruption that these Atlantic ship owners trading like in Japan, for example, were thinking how to get these solutions? Could we really have now Cuban officers, because Cyprus does endorse them? Could we have Panama officers, because Holland does endorse them since last month? Could we have for Cyprus also Peruvians? Yeah. Could we think about Panama, Bahama, Liberia, Marshall, Bermuda flags, and many more, Liberia, Venezuela? Could we think about investing in the local talent long term? The ship owner trading Atlantic. Now, Europe and America are very close. I think the Atlantic is one of the smallest oceans in the planet. You can calculate these numbers. And that's why Cristobal Colon, forget now, is defending Cyprus. But it was the first one to find America because we are closer. If we are closer, is this going to be forever, perpetual, intrinsic value? Yeah. Let's invest ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, investment in the long term. Perhaps Panama can multiply times 100 the officers' school in Venezuela and Peru and Honduras, Guatemala and Cuba. Why not have this talent in the next 100, 200, 300 years there in America, in the Atlantic? And perhaps we can really think that Europe needs this kind of solutions, because we do have huge volume of European crew now that we're thinking, should I go to Asia or should I stay? Now, if they are staying, why don't we move fast? The ship owner, mix them, European and American crew together, because we have the biggest database within Candina Group. Let's talk about 100,000. Is this good enough for your 2,000 ships, dear ship owner? Then let's get working. Thank you, bye.